I'm in Florida. It's September 9th, about 9 o'clock at night. Check out this lightning storm behind the cloud. It's just amazing. It's like almost like a fireworks show. I hope it shows up on the video, as cool as it is. It's like the lightning is inside the cloud. It's unbelievable. I had nothing but good weather here, and this was just to top it off, this cool light show at night. There we go. And it's not really even storming or thundering. It's got a little light show going on in the clouds right across the street from my friend's house where we're staying. It's unbelievable. Some cool weather. I hope I don't get struck by holding this little camera. My luck, I'll get hit by the lightning. It's pretty cool.